Welcome again for another Brain Teaser Problems episode. Today I will be telling you how to solve the problem, and I will be telling you the homework and the problem. Hope you like the video.
There's an airplane. The plane's fuel can only last for 6 hours. If it rides the wind, it can fly only 1,500 kilometers per hour. But if the plane goes against the wind, it can only fly 1,200 kilometers per hour. How far can it fly to and from the destination?
I will now tell you the solution. The answer is 8,000 kilometers. First of all, we have to find out the equation d, which is distance, equals s, which is speed, times t, which is time. Before we use that equation, we have to find out what the speeds are. We know from our information that speed 1 equals to 1,500 kilometers per hour, and speed 2 is 1,200 kilometers per hour. Then we need to find out what t1, which is time 1, and t2, which is time 2. We know that t1 plus t2 equals 6, and that t1 times speed 1, which is 1,500, equals to t2 times speed 2, which is 1,200. That way, we can solve this problem. First of all, we also need to find out the ratio of t1 to t2. Let's say t1 is 1. That means that t2 has to be 5/4. So that means that we have to add up 1 and 5/4, which goes to 9/4. Finally, we have to multiply 9/4 by 6. That way, we can get 8/3. 8/3 is 2 2/3. 2 2/3 is how much t1 is. Since 2 2/3 is t1, let's do some math. 2 2/3 times 1,500 equals to 4,000 kilometers. Finally, to find out what the t2 is, we have to do 6 minus 2 2/3, which is 3 1/3. 3 1/3 times 1,200 kilometers per hour equals to 4,000 kilometers. Now we know that 4,000 kilometers is the distance between A and B A and B destination. Since one-way trip is 4,000 kilometers, we know now that 4,000 times 2 equals 8,000 kilometers. That is the round trip from A to B and then B to A.
The homework for this week is: Miss Duck baked 19 dozen donuts and sold them for $4.25 per dozen. She sold 16 dozen when she decided to make more. When she came back, she had 2.6 dozen left because someone stole some. How much money did she lose, and how much donuts she lost?
Thanks for watching. Please email me if you have trouble on the problem or you just want to comment. My email is listed here below. Please like and please subscribe. Thank you.